morning, a beautiful morning here from Jamaica, here in Yellows, my country lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching another video, guys, and I'm here to continue, guys, to pack this course skill, guys. I've been struggling a lot, guys, because I expect to finish it already, but no, it's not what you think it is, guys. Just one more person it takes to help me, guys, and then this thing will finish by the end of today, I promise. But I'm doing it by myself. How long is it going to take me to build a cold skill, guys? I don't know. It's going to take quite a while. So anyway, guys, I'm just over there. And remember, guys, we're meant to continue with all that packing of cold skill, guys, you know. So thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to always like, share this video around as well, guys. Comment and share always, guys. And this is the cold skill right in the background here. And I'm going to continue to pack it, guys. So I will try and get some angles for you. I don't know, but I'll try my best. Anyway, guys, thank you so much, and let us get into this video. Right, still packing the cold skill, guys. Something like here, so that will go somewhere like this. Look on that. That's alright. You can see cold skill is coming on now. Right now you can see. Yes, it's coming on, guys. Yes, it's still gonna need some more packing. It's not finished yet, guys. But this is just still the beginning, guys, you know. So it is coming up to where I want it, but not the best, to be honest with you. Not the best, not the best. Because this one I'm kind of rushing it, guys. Yes, I'm rushing it. Yeah, but anyway, let's continue anyway, guys, through this video. So now it's getting bigger now, guys. You can see the size now. And this is the bit where we're going to light it, guys. So right in here. So it's not going to be a big cold scale. It will be a good size, you know. See what we get out there. But still, we have some more lug on here to still pack, guys. So let's see when we finish anyway. Still a lot more to pack on it, guys, you know. So let's continue the packing. So we need to get this fast, guys. I wish you guys could see more action, but because there's nobody to hold the camera, it's a big problem, guys. So it's very hard. So if someone could hold the camera while I'm bringing all these in, I could do a good job here. And I don't have anything to hold the camera really that much, you know. And because the sunshine is so hot as well, guys. So anyway, this is the how it comes so far, guys. This is how it stays so far. So let's continue anyway to get it bigger. The cold skill is coming on very nicely. So here it is, guys. So this is the cold skill. It's coming on really nicely, guys. We are getting there, but still have a few more to go, guys, before we get them burned. This is just certain ways to pack it, guys. You know, there is a certain way how to pack it. But you see the way I pack it, guys? So I'm going to get some tin stick to go in there to make it more tighter. But it's not so bad at the moment. I mean, it is solid, very solid at the moment. Yeah, so these top is not finished yet, guys. These are sticks I only put here as temporary for now. So I'm going to fix the top up anyway and fix around there more better. But I'm just rushing it anyway, guys. There's some bits and pieces. Most of it has already been packed, guys. That's the good news about it. And we got some more over here as well. Got some over this side, guys. These ones are just very thin sticks. But I will still try and get, if I can get them on, I'll try. But they're not really important. It's the one up here. It's very important, guys. We got some more in the gully there. So what I'll do, guys, is take a rest. Yeah, take a little quick rest, and then yeah, after the rest I'll start bring those rests from over here and put him over here, guys. And then we will also need to get some grass. I don't know where I'm going to get grass, guys, but I just have to maybe try and get some green bush or something and then put on top of it, guys, you know. And then dirt them up. We're going to get some dirt, guys, and dirt them up, you know. Right here I'm going to try and dig dirt. We can dig dirt from here and see if we can use some of this dirt here, you know. I needed a fork anyway, digging fork, but I don't have one. So I have to just use a shovel to see if I can dig dirt like that. Just maintain some dirt and put on there. It's not going to be easy, guys. I promise you, it's not going to be easy to get the dirt from here. So get the dirt, and then yes, and then we have our little baby over there. He's going to burn. I don't think much is going to come out there, to be honest with you, guys. It's not much. It's not much. But if we have all the trees them down, guys, then we'd have got a lot out of it, you know. So anyway, this is just a little present, you know. Let's see how many bugs we get out of that. I don't know. I have no idea. Maybe we could get 10 out of it. I don't know. 15 if we're lucky. Let's try our best and see what we can get from it. So yes, guys, it's just time to take a rest, and then I'm back to finish it. Yes, guys, managed to have a little rest now. And yes, we got some more sticks here to get to the bed now, guys, you know. So everything is starting to build up now. But I totally forgot there was more sticks here. I did not remember. Oh, I love the way my plants are coming on nice, guys. These are coming on really nicely. Look at them. Yes, here in my country lifestyle. Yes, everything is coming on nicely. So I got some sugar cane I need to plant at the back as well, guys. I got to also share that video with you as well, guys, you know. So look out for that as well in one of my videos as well, my country lifestyle. So I'm bringing a shovel here, guys. I want to try and make some dirt here, see if I can create some dirt. It's not going to be easy, but the good news is the soil here is very soft. So we had rain a couple of days ago, and it kind of soaked up the soil, so it's a bit easier to dig, but it would have been better to use fork, you know, to get this little house going. So now, guys, now is to make the skill no more tighter now, guys, you know. So now I'm gonna get everything in and make it really tighter now, guys, and let us do this and let this skill burn. So yes, so I've got the machete now, so I need to, oh, this got a lot of lizards. Why so much lizards are doing on the skill? They love this, you know. It's not a house for you guys, sorry. Yes, I need to tighten it up with a stick, guys, but what I need to do to get this tighter is to put the big ones and get all the big ones first, and then chop all those up and then put the small one in, and then that will tighten it up and get it ready to burn, guys. So let us get to work. There you go, guys. Managed to get up, guys. Managed to pack it up, guys. See, it's getting higher and higher, bigger and bigger as you get, guys. I mean, it's not the best of puck, but it's okay, guys. Whatever I'm trying to do here is going to definitely work. So I've done this before. It's not my first time I ever burn a coal skill, but this is quite a good size coal skill, so this should be all right to go ahead and burn. I mean, as what I said to you, a certain way to puck the wood, them, guys, you know. I mean, I got these small ones I can chop and put right inside, guys, you know. But I don't have to do that, guys. I don't have to do that. Just make sure that I cover it very well on the outside before I put the dirt around it and things like that, guys. Don't know if I'll get to finish it in this video, but I'll just try my best, see if I can finish everything, and then you'll get to see the result of my core skill. Okay, guys, thank you so much, and let us continue through the video. Okay, guys, there we go. The packing is finished. Now I'm putting the bush on now, guys, and I got some zinc at the bottom, some of these zinc to fix it. So we need to dig the dirt from some out here, but this is a perfect time, guys, because right here now the sunshine start to get cooler, guys. Don't know if I'm going to still get to finish it in this video. I don't think I will, guys, but if you want to see this, guys, in the next video, you know, where I'm going to be sharpening it up and getting it ready to burn, guys. So we have to dirt it up and everything as well, guys, you know. So yeah, so this is where I'm going to wrap up this vlog for this evening, guys. So if you want to see me continue with this, guys, please watch me in the next video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to always subscribe and share this video, guys. Comment as well, and always like the video as well, guys. Tell another friend to tell another friend. And also you can check me out also on Instagram, which is Jamaican World Travel. All the links will all be down in the description. Thank you so much, guys. Signing out from Jamaica, here in Yellows, my country lifestyle. Simple province life with Ate, you know, right here chopping the boko here still, guys. You can see she got her Philippine style, she got her relaxed back style. Juicy, right, guys, you know, it's really a good price, you know. So come here, get more cash, guys. In Square Market is beautiful, guys. Oh, look at the size of them, you know? Yeah, look at the color. We got such amazing color in here. Look at that. Oh, I think he must have rocked. Discover in the Philippines. This is a foreign American, 5 Filipinos.
What a ham! Look at the video, is very nice.
Yes, but a lot of people are crazy about me in Morocco. You know, they're so amazed about my height here in Philippines, guys, you know. So I'm very famous in this country.